Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find password settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings, and here as you see you'll find password settings. You can manage it as you want, and that's it. That's how to find password settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.